Jai Srimanarayana. 20th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Karma naivahi samsiddhim asthita janakadayaha లోకసంగ్రహం ఏవాపి సంపశ్యన్ కర్తుమర్హసి. ఓం. Even royal people like Janaka and others, they are already enlightened, but yet they prefer to do their obligatory duties perfectly, bearing in mind the welfare of the whole world. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that everyone should surrender to him alone. Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall perform all my obligatory duties perfectly, bearing in mind the welfare of the world. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupētamapēta krutyam dvaipāyano virahakātara ājuhāva putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhūta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Devatas told Khatvanga Maharaju that you have only muhurtam ayuhu jnatvam etya swapuram sandadhe manaha. Devatas told Khatvanga that, O Khatvanga, you have only one muhurtam in your life. Soon after that muhurtam, you will be died. Like that, when Devata said, immediately Khatvanga went back to his kingdom. Tattva buddhi paramesvaruniyandu bhavambu gilinchi sandadhe manaha. Went back to his home and he engaged his entire mind on the divine feet of Sriman Narayana and started thinking like this: न मे ब्रह्मकुलात् प्राणाः कुलदैवात् न चात्मजाः न श्रियो न महीराज्यं न दारा च अतिवल्लभाः इलमीदन् ब्रतुकेल वेल्पुलवरम्बेल धनंबेल निर्मलमै वाङ्मनसामितंबगु परब्रह्मंबुने चेंदेदन्. Brahmanas like my Kuladaivam. So that means my pranas are not superior than my Brahmanas. And my children are not superior than my Paramatma. Even from my childhood, my manas never went towards any unrighteous activities. And I always have seen everywhere Paramatma. So far, I did not ever see anything without Paramatma. So, but Devatas wanted to give me some boon. My manas is totally engaged on Vasudeva, the one who is all pervasive. My manas is not seeking any kind of boons. Like that Khatvanga Maharaju thinking. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasetravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 28th sloka. Karma naiva hi samsiddhim आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसंग्रहमेवापि संपश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि. कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिम् आस्थिता जनकादयः लोकसंग्रहमेवापि संपश्यन् कर्तुमर्हसि. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.